Good morning, everyone. I am still kind of waking up. It's very early morning, but we want to get up and head up to the main campground, the main event, the opening thing. See, I'm not awake yet this morning, and be sure to check out the videos on twomeander for more happenings here at the RTR. Mine are just kind of thrown up from my, what I'm doing and my perspective, and anyway, so be sure and check out twomeander, and we have more details on there. But that was a shot, obviously, of yesterday, the day before the RTR starts, and this morning of when it's going to start, just outside our camp, and the difference. And we will be showing you more, and I'm anxious to go see people. Yesterday we got to see our friend Dan, and Doria, his wife, texted and said, Dan's on his way to see you guys, and we've met some wonderful neighbors, and I'm really enjoying being able to participate this year. And I just go out when I can and then come back in and hibernate in the van for self-care, and we'll see how it goes. It's supposed to be 12 days of this. I'm trying, and I'm enjoying it. I love people. I just can't do people very much. Ausia!
Case where I'd like to, film it,
Oh my gosh, look who's coming in. We have the TheDanVan on site, boys and girls.
Howdy!
Come on into camp. You are just in time for some quesadillas.
Oh, hey, I'm good. Hey, Robert, how are you? How y'all doing?
One of the things I'm going to have to do today, and I'm not looking forward to it because it's not fair to our neighbor that came in last night, but he runs a generator all the time, and it's pretty loud, and it's just like less than 5 feet from our van and from where I sleep, and so I didn't get much sleep because I had to wear, even with earplugs, it didn't help as soon as he got here and started it. And we have friends that will switch with him, and they have a much bigger space, and I'm hoping that he is willing to do that. And I am also going to ask him, because on the other side of him, just less than 3 feet away, are some people with brain injuries that are tent camping, and they're going to have to move. So if he'll switch, I'll be okay. But if he doesn't, then they'll have to move and we'll have to move, and that's okay. I am not complaining. Everybody's always like, you complain, you complain. I'm not complaining. I'm just letting you guys know what I'm up to, what my day looks like. And he's a nice guy, and he'll like their place better. They're the ones actually that are sacrificing. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll let you know. And it's all good no matter what. It just, that kind of stuff happens out here. Anyway, so if you have a generator, please don't park next to people with solar and camping in tents, if at all possible. And in a place like this with this many people, that's not always possible. And so we'll see how it goes. Bye, Dan.
So long.
Okay, tell Frugal, Carol, C-Dub.
Tell Frugal. I thought she was saying something about tofu. And I'm like, what?
Now I forgot who all. Anyway, tell them we said hi.
I will,
Okay.
and we'll see you down the road.
Oh, I
All
love
right.
that. Bye, buddy.
Bye.